Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to work with page styles using the Warhead Theme Builder page style rules and groups. Let's get started. Now, when you first launch the theme builder, the page is selected by default. That's the green area you see here. When the page is selected, you're already going to be seeing the page style rules and groups in this panel here. These are page style rules, and these are page style groups. Now, once the page is selected and you have the page style rules and groups, this area allows you to update many of the most common elements on your website globally. So it allows you to quickly style lots of elements at once in this one easy to find place. For instance, if you wanted to style your layout grid, which is simply the container that contains all the elements of your website, you would click the Layout Grid Style group, and that gives you the Layout Grid Style rules. Now, if you wanted to style all of your sectors, which are essentially all your website's containing elements, you would click the Sector Style group, and that will take you to the Sector Style rules here. So all your containers can be styled at once really fast using the Sector Style rules. Same goes for blocks. If you wanted to style all of your blocks and the common elements within them, you would click blocks, and you have your block rules here, and there's lots of different block groups that you can style. You can see all the different elements are available right there in one easy place. And lastly, to style the Lightbox element, you would click the Lightbox group, and here's the Lightbox rules, and here's the Lightbox groups within the Lightbox. There you go. You've just seen how quick and easy it is to use the Warhead page style rules and groups to style many of the most common elements on your website in one easy place. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to work with more styles in Warhead. Thanks for watching.